माय डियर स्कॉलर्स, पर्सनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन या यूं कहिए कि पीपल मैनेजमेंट, मैनेजमेंट स्कॉलर्स, इनके बारे में थ्योरीज, इनके बारे में कंसेप्चुलाइजेशन और इनके बारे में इंपॉर्टेंस अंडरस्टैंड करने के बाद that along with the operation management, along with productivity and along with profitability, it's very important that theories should be developed regarding employees, regarding operators, regarding assembly line workers, regarding supervisors and the supervisees. And that's how the discipline of management among the business administration and the theories about management starts developing. So early 20th century, industrialization, economies based on industrialization and mass production, but at the same time, realizing the importance of managing the people along with managing the technology and managing the machine and managing the material, new theories were emerging. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि इकोनॉमिक्स और साइकोलॉजी और सोशियोलॉजी के साथ साथ, ये सब सोशल साइंसेस के डिसिप्लिन है ना, बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में भी डिस्कशन रिगार्डिंग मार्केटिंग, आइडियाज अबाउट कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस, दे स्टार्ट गेनिंग पॉपुलैरिटी. तो बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का डिसिप्लिन डिसेंट्रलाइज होने लगा, नए एरियाज ऑफ रिसर्च एंड एरियाज ऑफ स्कॉलरली कंट्रीब्यूशन इमर्ज करने लगे. तो ऑपरेशन और प्रोडक्शन मैनेजमेंट के साथ साथ ये चीज भी इंपॉर्टेंट होने लगी कि हाउ द कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर हैज टू बी गवर्न्ड, corporate governance, strategies for business. So these subjects, along with business economics, were gaining popularity. And let me mention here that to begin with, economic theories of the firm starts emerging. People start writing. To begin with, these were economists. These were sociologists. But since the focus was on economics, was on finance, and the focus was on profitability and productivity, and performance was also related to profitability. इसलिए कि इन्वेस्टर जो है या फैक्ट्री ओनर जो है, या पाकिस्तान की अगर हम बात करें तो सेठ साहब जो हैं, वो इस चीज में इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि वो कौन सी थ्योरीज यूज की जाएं जो इकोनॉमिकली ओरिएंटेड हों, इकोनॉमिकली मोटिवेटेड हों, और कुछ ऐसी स्ट्रेटजीज ऑफ प्राइसिंग एंड सप्लाई एंड डिमांड इमर्ज हों कि जिससे मेरी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी बढ़े. वेल, देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग विद इट. दिस इज the early 20th century. Interaction of the business with the market, business education, and most importantly, strategic management. How to look for long-term goals of the company, of the firm, and how to achieve them. And at that time, the long-term meant strategies and planning for 5 years and 10 years. Remember, we are talking of 1940s and 50s and 60s, almost middle of 20th century. So they were the areas of management, sub-disciplines of management, which were gaining popularity. And management scholar in business school in Europe, in Australia, many in North America, because after Second World War, recall कीजिए कि after Second World War, जापान की इकोनॉमी भी तबाह थी और यूरोप की इकोनॉमी भी तबाह थी, जो मुल्क सिर्फ डेवलप्ड नेशंस में बचा था वो यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स था. So naturally, it's bit understandable that management theories and management scholarly contributions were coming from the business schools of North America. So with the diversity and growth of production and operation, growth of knowledge was also taking place in the area of management. And each of these managerial disciplines grow in its own rights and their own theories were developed. They were all motivated economically. आप strategic management की भी जो early theories को देखेंगे, they were all economically motivated. Well, there's nothing wrong in it because that was the rule of the game at that time. That was the discussion. That was the popularity. That was the acceptability of the scholars in terms of discussion, in terms of conceptualization. अगर आप हवाई बात करेंगे तो बेशक बहुत अच्छी वो बात फिलोसॉफिकली हो, लेकिन उसकी एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी कम होगी. एज ए रिसर्चर आपको ये बात ज़हन में रखनी चाहिए. और जब भी कोई नया कॉन्सेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस होता है, आगे चलकर हम देखेंगे, sometimes it takes 10 to 15 years that people in your own field will accept that idea. But anyhow, these fields, they had their own practitioners, they had their own management scholars, they had their own consultations, educators, professors, and students. Thank you very much.